Step aside, ladies, I have a date with the squat rack. This lol guy trying to lift all that. This is gonna be funny. Gluteus maximus. Activated. Oh my, man got buns. Makes me want to have a bite. 5, 6, 7. Please, girls you can look, but no touching the nerd. My quadriceps femoris are glaring today. Scrap that, no looking either. Tiger eyes only. Mine. Hey babe, ever seen abs like these? I have better at home. How about guns like this? Right here. Man, that's kinda disheartening. We all progress at our own pace. Come flex with us. Chest day. Best day. Your hug game is always on point. Gotta work hard to be the best. What was that? All the negative energy leaving my body. It took me the whole morning to make this lunchbox for nerd. There he is. Now is your chance, Tiger. Hey nerd. I packed a lunch for you. Hope you like it. Didn't notice her and went in. Nerd. Ah. Wait. Hi nerd. Oh, hey Tiger. I made this lunchbox just for you. Wow, really? Thank you. Do you like it? It's good. They're holding hands. It's quite nice. Crap, it feels too good. Maybe it was too sudden. Sorry, my hand slipped. Hold. Are you sure about this? I'm a delinquent. I attract all kind of trouble. Don't we all have our problems? Well, I'm struggling with mine. Then let's struggle together. Besides, it's not like we're alone. Look at those two, can't wait for double dates. I want to see more. Now, let them go at their own pace. At least they're communicating, something what you might want to work on. What ya mean? Every time I want to talk about our feelings, you send me pictures of monster trucks. Gravidigger. Pics are the purest form of love, babe. You look kinda familiar, have we met before? No, Senior Jock. Okay then. Wait a minute, you know me. Ops. Well, I'm getting pretty famous. Me and Nerd got like 100 views on our unboxing video. Oh, Jock, soon you guys it will be bigger than Jesus. I already am. My man has great definition, but nowhere near my size. Not for long, my child. Oh, this risotto AI fungi sounds delicious. But you're allergic to mushrooms. How do you know that? I can read minds. Oh yeah, what am I thinking now? Dinosaurs but they're linebackers? He's good. That's what's on your mind on our date? So if they reopen Jurassic Park, we could engineer the dinners for the NFL. Babe, they're just movies. But they could be reality. Oh, our food's here. Uh-oh. Hey. Just checking for poison. Hear that, Olga, I'm like royalty. Royally cute at least. How about some music to go with this great meal? Gulp. I don't know any romantic songs. Gotta go with something else. Under domes of anguish, I dwell through the bleak and bitter night across the plains of blackened shards. Hey, pretty catchy. Kinda weird to play black metal in an Italian restaurant. Everything seems to be going well. Look, I can fit my whole fist in my mouth. Haha. Whoops. Hey, watch it. Ouch. Huck. Jock, what's wrong? He's choking. Someone get a doctor. Phew, you saved my life, little mustache man. What's your name? Super Mario Spaghetti Man. Mr. Spaghetti Man, please take this tip and my thanks. I hope they make more video games in your name. Are you sure you don't want to lie down? Nah, let's go for a walk. Thanks for the loan. Ah, a nice walk in a park. I doubt anything would go wrong here. It's been the most wonderful day, Jock. Sure has, Olga. Have I ever told you how beautiful your eyes are? Oh, Jock. Nor. Or how your hair is like a dark river. Just a secretary, something is biting my ankle. Nor. Nor. This is the weirdest looking squirrel I've ever seen. That's not a squirrel, it's an eldritch parasite. Nor. A wah? Sometimes these things travel from another dimension to harass me. That's what you get when you deal with dark magic. Are they dangerous? Nah, they're like puppies, mostly harmless, but if you aren't careful, they might feast on your soul. What kind of puppies have you met? Or maybe I was thinking of kittens? Nor. They just keep coming. Shoo, don't ruin my bestest date. Go back to your mommy. Are they getting bigger? They aren't usually this aggressive. Oh, there's a bigone. Lem give it a good ol' knuckle sandwich. Why didn't you punch it? Mama always told me to know what I'm hitting.